Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. In the context of the reader's-writer's problem, which of the following is true if the first variation, no reader is kept waiting unless a writer has already obtained permission to use the shared object, is implemented? The correct answer is option A. Writers may starve. In a resource allocation graph, if every resource type has only a single instance, then the existence of a cycle in the graph indicates that. The correct answer is option B. A deadlock has occurred. Which of the following page replacement algorithms can suffer from Bilaty's anomaly? The correct answer is option C, FIFO, first in, first out. What is the primary purpose of an inode in a Unix-like file system? The correct answer is option D. To store metadata and the physical block locations for a specific file. Which disk scheduling algorithm is also commonly referred to as the elevator algorithm? The correct answer is option A, scan. Which of the following is not typically found within a process control block, PCB? The correct answer is option B, the actual source code of the program. A translation look-aside buffer, TLB, is used by the hardware to The correct answer is option C, speed up the virtual to physical address translation process. In computer security, what is the primary function of an access control list, ACL? The correct answer is option D, to specify which users or system processes are granted access to specific objects. Peterson's solution is a classic software-based solution to the critical section problem designed for how many processes? The correct answer is option A, 2 processes. Internal fragmentation is a phenomenon that occurs when The correct answer is option B. Memory allocated to a process is slightly larger than the requested memory. Direct memory access, DMA, is primarily used to The correct answer is option C. Allow I/O devices to transfer data directly to from memory without continuous CPU involvement. Which scheduling algorithm allows a process to move between various queues based on its CPU burst characteristics? The correct answer is option D, multilevel feedback queue. In the banker's algorithm, a system state is defined as safe if The correct answer is option A. The system can allocate resources to each process in some order and still avoid deadlock. What is a significant disadvantage of the linked allocation method for storing files on a disk? The correct answer is option B. It is highly inefficient for random access, direct access, to file data. Thrashing is a condition in which The correct answer is option C. The system is spending more time paging than executing actual instructions. In interprocess communication, IPC, which mechanism requires the operating system to provide a buffer for data exchange? The correct answer is option D, message passing. A computer program that appears to have a useful function, but actually contains hidden malicious code is known as a The correct answer is option A, Trojan horse. A hard real-time system is characterized by which of the following? The correct answer is option B. Missing a single deadline results in total system failure. What is a defining characteristic of a microkernel architecture? The correct answer is option C. It moves as many services as possible from the kernel into the user space. Which of the following is true regarding kernel-level threads compared to user-level threads? The correct answer is option D. The kernel can schedule another thread of the same process if one thread blocks. In a segmented memory management system, what does each entry in the segment table contain? The correct answer is option A. The base address and the limit length of the segment. RAID Level 5 improves both reliability and performance by utilizing. The correct answer is option B. Block-level striping with distributed parity. The test and set hardware instruction is primarily used to. The correct answer is option C. Implement mutual exclusion in a hardware atomic way. Which file allocation method is utilized by the FAT file allocation table system? The correct answer is option D. Linked allocation, using a centralized table. The working set model for page replacement is based on which fundamental assumption? The correct answer is option A, locality of reference. Spooling, simultaneous peripheral operations online, is primarily used to. The correct answer is option B, act as a buffer between a fast CPU and slow I/O devices like printers. A wait for graph is a simplified tool used by the operating system for. The correct answer is option C, deadlock detection. Which of the following is not typically a field within a page table entry, PTE? The correct answer is option D, the process ID of the owner of the page. Context switching is considered overhead in an operating system because. The correct answer is option A. The system performs no useful user work while switching between processes. The principle of least privilege in OS security states that. The correct answer is option B. Users and processes should be granted only the minimum permissions necessary to perform their tasks. Thank you for watching.